Hello everyone, welcome in today's tutorial on how to buy the SAFE token on Coinbase. First, log into your account on coinbase.com and after that you can select the option on the right top corner, the buy and sell button. Click on it and now the purchasing overview will be opened. The first option they have is the purchasing frequency. It's already selected on a one-time purchase and that is also what we would like to do. But if you would like to buy these coins with a different frequency, then just click on it and select the option which suits to you. After that, you can fill in the amount of cash you would like to spend on this purchase, let's say 150 euros, and then you can select the coin we would like to buy. And the coin we would like to buy is the SAFE token, and we will take it in, just select it, and now we can change the payment method. I use my MasterCard, but if you would like to change it or you would like to add a new payment method, just click on it and now you can select it in this list. If you don't have any available options, you just can check if your Coinbase account is verified, and after that you can start clicking on add a new payment method to add a new payment method. Once you have done that, go back and click on review order, and now they will start showing us some information about the purchase. And now they will give us a warning, but we don't mind. Just click on it, continue, and now they will show us some information. As you can see, we are spending 150 euros on this purchase, and the Coinbase fee normally will be 5.76 euros. I don't pay any Coinbase fee because I have a Coinbase One subscription, and that will save you a lot of money on the Coinbase fees. They also will give you an option to select the Invest Weekly option, and that will mean that you will start spending 150 euros each week on this coin. You can cancel it at any time, and once you want to buy these coins, then click on Buy Now and they will be directly added to your Coinbase account. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.